Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on today on the Forex calendar. As you can see, plenty of very important data are scheduled for release today. Composite PMI and Services PMI from the UK are scheduled for release at 10:30. The market participants expect an increase in Composite PMI and in the Services PMI. ADP Non-Farm Employment Change is first part of the US jobs data. The second part is initial jobless claims. So the first one is scheduled for release 2:15, and the initial jobless claims are scheduled for release at 2:30. ADP Non-Farm Employment Change is expected to increase from 127,000 to 150,000, and the initial jobless claims should stay on the same level of 225,000. Crude Oil Inventories are scheduled for release at 5 p.m. and as you can see, there is expected an increase in the number of the inventories from 718,000 to 1,154,000. So something for the crude oil traders for today is almost ready to release as well. First part of the US job market data is scheduled for release tomorrow. As you can see, we got non-farm payrolls, but that's tomorrow, so that's the second part of the US dollars, US job market data. So let's find out what's going on the euro dollar. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart, and we can see that on the 4-hour chart the market is testing the 100 periods moving average around 1.0628. It's been rejected. Yeah, you can say it's been rejected around 2, 3, 4 times already, so it doesn't actually work that much for the bulls right now. Nevertheless, if in case of the better than expected data, the market will bounce above the current level and above the 100 periods moving average, then the next technical resistance is located at 1.0650, so it's only around 20 pips higher. So it should be very easy to break above this level. So in that situation, the next target would be on the level of 1.0737 as the high from the middle of the December last year. The local high, of course, has been made just above the 100 days moving average, 1.0636. Nevertheless, it's still not enough to break above the technical resistance. The technical support on the euro dollar is located at 1.0520, and this is the low from the 3rd January this year. So please keep an eye on market reactions on today. ADP data momentum is at the level of 50, so it's not bullish nor bearish. So right now we are trading just around the neutral zone, so please take this into the account. This is the euro dollar. What else can be affected by the today's data? US dollar to the Japanese yen, and this is the 4-hour chart of the US dollar to the Japanese yen. We broke towards the again we broke above maybe 131.41 towards the 100 periods moving average. 100 periods moving average is 133.33, so it looks like the market wants to do this very nice test of this level. Please notice very specific situation here. If we take Elliott impulsive wave, we can see that might be wave 1, that might be pullback wave 2, this might be developing wave 3, or the wave 3 had been completed here, that might be wave 4, and we might be completing wave 5 to the upside. Okay, in the other scenario is even more bullish. Why? Because in the other scenario we might be completing the wave 3 right now, last wave to the upside for the wave 3, so maybe somewhere here. There's still no target for the wave 3. Let me just place the technical resistance. There you go, this is the technical resistance. Maybe that will be the target for the wave 3. So let's just assume that the level of let me just get rid of the magnet. The level of 134.51 is the target for the wave 3. Okay, then the extension lower, correction lower, sorry, to the in wave 4, and then of course wave 5 to the upside, and that would be very nice impulsive cycle to the upside. Please notice at this momentum 1, 2, 3, 4 and maybe 5 to the upside. So this move to the upside is backed by the momentum in impulsive way. Very strong setup, very nice setup. So maybe the data release today or maybe the data release tomorrow will trigger bigger move on the US dollar to the Japanese yen on 4-hour time frame chart. The ultimate ultimate target for now is located around this level of 138. Okay, so that's the ultimate target to the end of the week, because of the weekly ranges. What else can we talk about? Of course, gold, and 4-hour time frame of gold is making new highs. Nevertheless, let's take a look at the daily, because there is something interesting here. We have 100 days moving average. We have a breakout above the moving average. Moving average stays basically at the same level, 1720, 1725, and now we are rallying higher. But please notice that market is moving up. Okay, price is moving up. The momentum is not moving up that much. Apparently it's moving a little bit lower. It's still strong momentum, it's still positive momentum. Nevertheless, there is clear bearish divergence on a daily time frame chart. The next target, despite this divergence, the next target for bulls is still located at 1878. That's the technical resistance from the last year's June 2022. So it is possible that the market will hit this resistance before some sort of the corrective cycle will be developed on this market. So please keep an eye on gold. It might do the spike up and then might reverse because of the technical situation on a daily time frame chart. And last but not least, let's just take a look at the US dollar index. The daily time frame chart again is showing us market is trading in the negative territory. Okay, so we are trading as well below the 100 days moving average. Even if we switch to the lower time frame, as you can see, the 100 periods moving average is still being rejected, despite of the fact that sometimes briefly the market might jump higher. Still the outlook remains bearish. So that's the technical resistance here for the US dollar index is 104.81. If we break above this level, then of course the next level is located at 105.77. Nevertheless, we need a very strong move to the upside. If the US dollar will move to the upside, euro dollar will move down. Okay, so where is, in that situation, the technical resistance is here. Where is the support for the US dollar index? The US dollar index support is 103.42. It's been tested many times, including the New Year's Eve. So please be very aware of the fact that this recent price development on the US dollar index doesn't actually favors neither upside nor the downside. It still looks more likely the range trading situation, and in a case of a breakout to the downside, okay, US dollar will possibly even break below the lows at 103.3646, okay, and the new lows will be made, which means, of course, if the US dollar is going down, euro dollar will go up. If US dollar will go up, then the euro dollar will go down. What else do we have here? It's a very interesting. Let me just show it up quickly to you. Looks like a triangle triangle consolidation triangle pattern here around this levels of 104, 104.30. So downside breakout will be in line with the higher time frame trend and in line with the expectations. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.